We're back.
Yep. Can't get rid of us.
What's up? It's Vegan RV.
Yep.
Kevin.
I'm Laura.
And we're hanging out.
We are hanging out with you.
Short sleeves.
Not short sleeves.
Not short sleeves.
It's not that warm right now.
It's alright.
Yeah.
I mean, if you got some cushion.
Aww.
It's alright.
So,
Anyway, we're leaving Hood River, which is real sad.
but it's going to snow soon, so.
Hey, Shantwua.
Hi.
And Mom.
Katie.
So we're heading, and we're doing one of these down the road to go to Bend, Oregon.
Yes.
Bend is so awesome.
Yeah, there was a lot of vegan food. There's a lot of outdoor stuff to do.
Not a lot of hippies. You know what's crazy? It's so expensive there. So expensive.
Yeah, the real estate looks like it's pretty expensive.
And they don't have a big airport. It's like you gotta drive to get to a big airport. Which is crazy in my opinion.
Yeah.
I feel like if it's expensive, I don't know. I love Bend though.
Yeah.
We did so many cool things.
Yeah, wait till you see some of the, like, we stayed at Tumalo State Park. And, like, you just walk across the road, and there's this river trail that's just beautiful. And you can make it kind of as long as you want to make that hike.
Yeah, as long as you stay on the public land.
Yeah.
There's some private land through there. Tumalo's a weird park. Especially if you don't have reservations, you don't really know what's going on, and I think it's like very confusing. The one good thing is, if you're not going to use your generator, you can stay in the tent sites.
Yes.
As long as they're big enough for your rig.
And there are
so don't roll in there. Well, you're not going to fit a 45-footer in there.
No, we
but
fit in there.
Yeah, there are plenty of spaces for the 30, 34-foot RVs.
Yeah.
But just no generator use.
Yep.
So it was super cool because the rest of the park was booked up, and part of the campground was closed because we're there so late.
Yep.
In fact, when we leave Tumalo, that whole part of the park shut down.
Yeah.
It was only the RV spots that were staying open for a little bit longer.
We're shutting down parks all down the West Coast, basically.
You know how we do. That's how we roll. But in Bend, so many good foods for the vegans.
Yes.
Oh, man.
And I'm trying to think, was anything, Broken Angel was 100% vegan, and that's
mind-boggling. It's so good.
That was probably our favorite place.
Not even probably. It was hands down. I couldn't stop eating there.
Are they cooking out of a truck topper? Is that what's happening?
I think so.
Yeah.
I think it's a truck topper. I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
It's amazing. The guy's an amazing chef.
Yeah,
in fact,
so good.
like, you know, we're from the South. So we know our biscuits and gravy.
Yeah, we have high expectations.
Very high expectations. And most everybody in the North gets it wrong.
Yep.
But a Broken Angel food cart, hands down, amazing.
Yeah, I tried it. It was
like,
really good.
The fluffy layered biscuits, the right gravy. It was incredible. Yep. Like, all their food was so good. Everything that we ordered was amazing.
They had tacos. They had an amazing jicama salad.
Yep.
All kinds of stuff that was just... And you had you went back and had the pancakes?
Oh, no.
Were those good?
They were amazing. Yes. Yes, they were so good.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we did stay one other place while we were there, the Expo Center RV Park.
Yeah, so we...
Right when we got there.
Yeah. Well, we were trying to figure out where we wanted to stay because we don't plan because we're terrible.
Or awesome.
We just stayed overnight at this Expo RV Park, which was just a big park.
It's not bad.
It was fine.
It's not
was
bad.
Clean,
it was
organized.
It was pretty far outside of Bend. It was further than we wanted to be.
It was in Redmond.
Yeah. Yeah. Especially because we were getting in late, and to get like if we were looking at some BLM land. Yeah. And it was just going to be dark by the time we got there.
Right,
so we just stayed there. And it was a good spot.
It was fine. It was great for an overnight, certainly.
Yep.
Well, I think we should just let them see.
Why don't you guys check it out?
what we did and what we ate, you'll see.
Get to see some hiking.
It's not all food, I promise. There's a lot of food, but it's not all food.
Yep. You get to see hiking in rivers.
Yes.
The river is beautiful.
Yeah.
And then walking on the side of the mountain.
Yep.
Yeah, y'all need to go there.
Anyway, we'll be back
Show
in a
them.
minute. Yeah.
Show them, Laura.
Here it comes.
Take them.
Now. This is Expo Center RV Park, and you know how some RV parks are just a big parking lot, but they call themselves a resort and you're annoyed by that? This one's just a parking lot, but at least it's clean and well organized and has nice pads and places for your cars, and the bathrooms are super clean, and yeah, so we're only staying here one night, but you know, if you need a full hookup, it's not bad. Anyway, thought I'd show it to you. There's nobody here right now because it's November 1st. We did hear coyotes last night, which is pretty amazing.
And there's
I feel
more
like
if we need more.
we need to give you some more room. Oh wait, till she's
Pick
done
the
with this.
salad. And what was this thing called?
The big country!
Big country. Look at all of that mess in there.
Happy Kevin.
So if you enjoy waterfront dining,
That's cool.
yeah, it's okay.
No. It's too far. I have to jump.
Need some waiters to get that one.
Yeah.
believe it's the same amount that's in the entree portion of it.
This is ridiculous, actually.
Sorry, I needed some fish today. And salmon basically beg you to eat them.
They come pre-sliced off the water. I was gonna say watermelon.
Wasn't that cool? that I'm gonna try to do that for a video now. Just kidding. I'm not even gonna remember it. So that was pretty awesome. Hiking and food. And guess what you're gonna see in the next part of the video? Hiking and food. That's how we roll.
We got 2 more hikings.
Yep. So still stayed at Tumalo, right? And we go one evening to Humm Taproom.
Oh yeah.
So Humm is kombucha place, or they're a kombucha brand.
Yeah.
Delicious. Definitely check out the. I forgot what the one that I want. It's like
Pilsner.
a red label. No.
Oh. They were all delicious.
They're all delicious.
You can't really go wrong.
So, for a person that doesn't drink, I got to order a flight of something, and I thought it was the coolest thing in the world.
Yeah, you
so
can
like
get flights of kombucha.
Yeah, so it's a huge tap room. It's all kombuchas, you know, woo woo, whatever. But like, I got a flight, and it was awesome. And like, all of us got flights, and we got to play Uno.
Yeah, so they had board games and card games and stuff. And,
they had
a
no. What's
shuffleboard?
no. What's the
ping
table
pong?
tennis? Ping pong. Table tennis. Trying to make it sound badass.
Ooh, fancy.
Quick fact: the person that designed our logo, Scott, is a badass at table tennis. In fact, since he started playing, dude's lost like 40 or something pounds.
What?
Yeah, he looks amazing.
That's crazy. I did not know that.
Check him out, Studio Temporary.
Yeah.
So Humm Taproom.
Yeah.
Which is funny because when I read the notes, I thought it said Human Torpedo, and I was like.
By the way, they also have some beers on tap there. So, like, if you
need the alcohol.
Well, also if you have mixed company and you want to go hang out and you've got people who don't drink, it's a pretty
It's a cool spot.
Yeah.
Super cool.
So.
Yeah. Anyway.
Highly recommend.
Next day, we do some hiking because we gotta walk off the calories that we ingested the day before. We go to Tumalo Falls State Park, or not State Park, the Tumalo Falls hike.
Yeah. It's on Tumalo
and it was
Creek,
awesome.
I think.
Such good falls.
Yeah, so there's like you don't have to go far to see the
big
you can
main
fall.
From your car you can see most of it.
Yeah.
A good bit. The big one.
But if you keep walking, you get more and more and more and more. So
oh yeah.
Yeah.
And the end one is really beautiful.
Well,
you're like up on a ledge. What do they call that? A ledge?
Cliff?
Yeah, like kind of like a cliff. You remember, and then the one in the background? It was really pretty.
Yeah, but I think there were more even beyond that.
Oh yeah,
if you wanted to keep walking, you could have just.
It was cold. It was like ice rain. You'll see us bundled up.
Yeah, we got sleeted on, I think.
Yeah, but I would definitely say go do that.
It's beautiful.
Then, because we worked off so many calories, we checked out this place called Donut. I'm gonna go ahead and put this out there. Number 2 on the vegan donut list.
Ooh, they're up behind, right under Ronald's.
Ronald's Donut, then Voodoo. I said it. I was not expecting it.
So you have Voodoo above Mighty O? Oh, Mighty O's cake.
Mighty O's cake donuts. Yeah.
Okay.
Number 2.
Right. I didn't even eat one, so.
Oh, they were incredible. They were so good.
But the nice thing about that place is they have standard donuts. The vegan donuts have a green tag, and it's about half of them, isn't it? And then in a separate case.
Totally separate case.
And they only make them like I guess there's certain times when they do the gluten-free, but they have gluten-free donuts too.
And our friend said that they were delicious.
Yeah. So that's pretty awesome.
They weren't vegan and gluten-free. They were just gluten-free.
Just gluten-free.
Yep. A couple other things. Kebaba.
Oh.
Amazing Middle Eastern.
Yeah. If you like
awesome.
falafel and hummus and baba ganoush and that kind of thing, you will love this place.
Had an old coworker
So
tell us about this place. It was awesome. Let's see. We did Bethel's Global Fusion. Mm-hmm. That place is crazy.
Yeah. A lot of different it draws from a lot of different cuisines. So.
Yeah. The one thing that didn't get filmed next to it is probably one of the most amazing grocery stores I've ever been in. It had an adult section. It was incredible.
That was a weird place. It was like
I don't even remember the name of it.
It was some kind of natural food store.
Yeah.
I'll look it up and I'll drop it down in the comments below. But
yeah, I remember I was just like, oh, I needed something.
I guess we should have.
And I was like, hey guys, can we go over here? And they're like, yeah, sure. Oh, I need creamer. I literally needed creamer for coffee. And I was like, hey, can we just go to this weird place next door? And we walked in. Incredible.
Yeah.
And then we ran into a follower, Purrfect Pineapples. You should definitely check out her Instagram.
Yes.
All the men's. You need to look at it.
And the ladies, if you
need
some lingerie.
So cute.
She makes the cutest.
Yes. So Purrfect Pineapple. Purrfect.
Yeah. I'll put a comment. I'll put the link down below.
Yeah. So anyway, I ran into her.
Yeah, that was
totally
crazy.
crazy.
It's like, hey.
Yeah.
Are you?
And then one of the other things you'll see, the National Volcanic Monument.
Oh yeah, we went to
Newberry.
Lavalands.
Lavalands.
Yeah.
Lava Butte. Or
and
Lava
we'll
Butte.
talk about that while we're there, but
so cool.
I've never been to a lava field before, so
that was awesome.
Yeah, it looked so crazy.
And especially once you hiked pretty far into it, and then you got to see how vast the lava had flowed. I don't know what the past tense of that. To previously flowed. Flowed?
Lava had flowed. Yes, I think
Yeah.
it's flowed. Now it's like all squirrely in my brain because when you say a word too much, you're like flowed.
Fluid.
What is that? I don't
Fluid. I'm gonna stop. Anyway, it was so cool.
Yeah.
And you start going through all this volcanic rock, and it's way taller than you are. And then, if you guys go on these hikes, definitely stop and read the little signs. They tell you so much about what you're looking at, and it's just incredible. Yeah. Just incredible.
All right, well, let's let them see this stuff.
Yeah, go now.
Yeah, go.
Rolling sideways for no reason, it was real weird.
Stop it.
I'm not doing anything. I'm just
Your
trying
feet
to.
are on it.
I'm just touching it.
I
It's
know.
rolling on its own.
Just telling you, get your feet moving. Now stop moving.
Somebody stealth camping in there.
What are we doing out in the cold?
I don't know.
I do. Look at that thing.
Some poor salmon.
Do like the whole pack.
Oh, there's a little oil on the side.
It's almost like a bit.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. I like this food. Yummy.
I have never been in lava before, so this is pretty cool.
It's pretty awesome.
Looks like dried up diarrhea.
Cool. That's going to be fun to share with people.
Hey everybody. Kevin here.
Here all week.
If you come up right,
crazy was this lava field?
It's magma. It's so crazy. Even though basically everything was formed like this is insane.
Yeah.
It's like being on the moon.
Yeah.
Trust me, I've been there before. International Space Station. 2000. Space Odyssey. I feel like I'm walking on the moon. So crazy. You know, just in some lava flow.
Yeah.
You know, everyday stuff.
Pretty amazing.
What'd you think, baby?
It's crazy. I'm pretty excited. This is my first lava, so.
It's rocky.
Yeah, here.
Is this the stuff that they call pumice?
I don't know.
It's really light when you pick it up.
Uh-huh.
I mean, if you guys can see how light that is,
Pretty light.
it's almost like floating when I throw it up.
True.
It is crazy, super light. It's very airy. Even sounds weird when you drop it. Anyway, this is awesome. If you're out here, come check out the lava field. We can't go, we could hike up to the thing, to the top.
Yeah, to the Butte.
But the road's closed and we don't want to hike.
Yeah, the visitor center's closed.
It's
you
cold,
know,
it's
Do
windy.
you see how we're dressed? Oh, do you like my empty cup carrying there? Hey, pack it in, pack it out.
Exactly. I'm still
Yeah.
drinking mine. But it's cold up here,
Yep.
for real. We need to get south.
Yeah.
So this is the last thing we're doing before we leave.
Yeah. We need to hightail it.
Yep. Anyway, lava.
Lava.
Lava Butte.
It's Lavalands National
Lavalands
Monument
National,
or something?
yeah.
Yeah.
And looks like
All the links will be
be what?
down below.
Okay.
Yeah.
In your coffee cup.
Yes, they'll be right in here.
Yeah, cool.
Cool. Later.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Cool. That was
Anyway,
amazing.
Bend is awesome.
Yep.
Let's just leave it at that.
Yep.
Yeah.
You should definitely not pass on Bend.
True.
Go. And anyway, so let's get out of here.
Yeah.
Let's
Well,
let these people.
Yeah, this has gone
Enjoy the
on
life.
way too long. So if you enjoyed it, subscribe.
You should give
and-
us a thumbs up.
Yep, that helps us out.
Yep. You should check out our Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Is there more?
Pinterest.
Pinterest.
I don't know, whatever.
Our other Facebook videos. I mean, YouTube videos. We have some Facebook videos. Sometimes you can catch our antics on the motorhome experiment.
It happens. Anyway,
It's going to happen pretty soon again.
yep. Foreshadowing.
Yep. The future. We'll see you guys next time.
All right. Bye.
Later.